Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Affiliate Booster plugin. It's an amazing tool and a very necessary tool for the affiliate marketers or for the people who have affiliate website. And it can be also helpful for the WooCommerce website owner. See, it's best for bloggers, content creators, and e-commerce. And if you want to see what you can do by using this tool real quick, then see you can add this type of block in one click by using this plugin. And this is only one example. There have almost 31 types of block that you can add on your um, website or on your blog in one click. I will show you every blocks here after some time, but before that, if you see the pricing of this affiliate booster, it's offering its lifetime deal in AppSumo, and see in one code here only 49 USD, and you can add three sites in one code. But if you have more than three sites, then you have to stack two code, and two code will allow you to add 25 site license. So I think for most people this two code is enough, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on affiliate booster lifetime deal. And see, people are giving here review. The reviews are almost 5 star, so I think the tool is really good. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of affiliate booster and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for us. After going to the dashboard, you will get the license key and the plugin. Basically, you have to install this plugin on your WordPress website by using their license key. See, here is my license key, and here you will see all your blocks. You have to enable or disable the blocks from here. That means the blocks that you want, you have to enable it from here, and if any blocks you do not want, then you have to disable it from here. So these are the things I have enabled all. And after enabling all your blocks, then it's very easy, it will work on Gutenberg. See, this is one WordPress post, and here I will add all the blocks step by step. So to add first block, you have to just click here on this plus icon, and here search AB. Now what is AB? AB is basically affiliate booster, and see here you will get all the blocks. AB top pick, and see it will show you the preview here, and then AB pros and cons, then AB comparison table, then AB call to action. So let me add everyone one by one, guys. Let's say I will add this block AB top pick. I'll just click here and then it will be added. See, here is the top pick block, and here you can give title. Let's say I'll give title affiliate booster plugin, and subtitle, let's say best plugin for affiliate marketers. And then here you have to add the image. Let's say I will add here one image. Let's say I will add this image here, and then I'll just select it, and then see it will be added. You can give here description also if you want, and here I have buy now option, and here in the right hand side there I have more option, guys. See, if I select it, see there I have general setting. You can change the setting, show title, show subtitle. Let's say you do not want to show the subtitle, then just disable it, then it will be disabled. And then if you do not want to show the content, see here is the content, then you can also disable it. So these are the things, I hope you get idea, and you can design it individually for desktop, mobile, and desktop from here. These are the things, guys, I hope you get idea. You can change the box width from here, and then they have design type. You can make it fixed or dynamic, and if I selected dynamic, then what will happen? See, they have plus icon, and here you can add more block. That means under one block you can add another block. That's really amazing, guys. Let's say I will add here one another affiliate booster block. Let's say this pros and cons block, then see here is the pros and cons block that has been added. But let's say I do not want to keep it like that, but if you want, you can keep it like that. That's why I'll select here fixed. And then you can add external image here. You can just here give the external image all text, and here you can give the source, and it will pull the source image basically from here. And there have every type of customization feature that you need for customizing your blocks basically. Then they have typography feature, they have colors feature, you can change every color from here guys. Then they have spacing, you can change the spacing. Button setting, you can change the button setting, you can give here your button URL. Let's say I'll give this affiliate booster URL here, and then whenever someone click on this buy now button, then they will redirect to this affiliate booster lifetime deal page. And then they have see button 2 setting, and then they have more setting. That means everything you can customize. So this is our topic block. And then let's say I will add our next block, and our next block is, let me search here, AB. And then see here I have AB pros and cons. So I'll just add this pros and cons, and then see here, let's say pros 1, and then enter, and then pros 2, enter again, pros 3, enter again, pros 4. How amazing it is, right? Similarly you can add here cons. Let's say cons 1, cons 2, cons 3, and cons 4. These are the things guys. And similarly see in the right hand side they have setting option. I'm not exploring the setting option more, but if you want you can explore from here. Also there have more customization features. See, this is column option and this is group option. If I selected group, then it will show like that, but if I keep it column, then it will be like that basically. So see, here is the group option and here is the column option. These are the things. I hope you get idea guys. And then I will just click here on this plus icon again, and I will show you another block here. Let's say this AB comparison table. So I'll click on this comparison table, then see here is the comparison table. And here see you can add the image of the product. Here is the product name, detail, and price. So that's really amazing. Let me add here guys one image. Let's say this is our image, and then I will select it, and then it will be added here. And here give the name of the product. Let's say the name is BAME work. And then detail, here is the detail. Let's say I'll write something. Here is the product details. And then here you can add price. Let's say here you have to give the price, maybe let's see, if I give here 30, nothing is happening. Okay, you have to give the URL here basically. See here you have to give the URL of the product. Let's say I will give this neuron writers URL here, and then I'll just enter it. So these are the things. And then if I click here on this plus icon, then another row will be added. Here you can add images. So in this way you can create the comparison table. See how amazing and how easy it is. And if you want to create this type of comparison table, this type of pros and cons table, this type of topic blog, then you need a lot of hassle guys. But if you use this affiliate booster plugin, then these things is very easy. I hope you get idea guys. And then we will try another block now. I hope you get the idea about this block. So let me click here on this plus, and then I'll search here AB, and then see they have call to action. So if I just click here on this call to action button, then see here is the call to action block. Here you can add CTA title, here you can add some description, and here you can add the URL, buy now URL. I hope you get idea guys. I'm not customizing these things more from here, but in your case definitely you have to customize it. And in your case definitely you will not use all the blocks in one blog, right? But I'm using here all the blocks in one blog. Why? Because I want to show you what are the blocks that offering this affiliate booster plugin. These are the things. So let me click here again this plus icon, and then search here AB, and then see AB single product. So if I click here AB single product, then see here you can add the image of the product. Here you can add title, subtitle, and enter new item, and then buy now button. That's really amazing. And then they have notice block. If I select the notice block, see here is the notice block. See, it's really very nice looking notice block. You can customize all the things, you can customize all the colors from here. After that, if I bring here another block, let me click here on this plus icon and then search AB, and then here see AB button. So if I click here AB button, then see here is the button that has been added. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have AB notification block. Now I will show you how the notification block will work. See, just click here AB notification block, then see you can add this type of block here. See, it's really very good looking. After that, they have AB good bad block. So if I add this block here, then see here is the good bad block. You can give here main title, you can add the product image here, and what is good and what is bad about this product, you can add these things here. After that, they have AB table content, sorry, table of content, and see here you can add the table of content basically. After that, there have AB star rating. If I click here AB star rating, then you can add this type of star rating feature by which people can give you a star feedback. After that, they have AB icon list. So if I just enable it, then here see here are the icon list. Maybe let's say list one, let me add here something, list one, enter. Then okay, it's little bit slow working because I have added here a lot of block, guys, so definitely it will be a little bit slow, but I hope you get idea, guys. In this way you can add listicle thing here. Let's say here I will add list 3. So these are the things you can add your listicle things here in this way. After that, they have AB dynamic block. So if I add here AB dynamic block, then see here is the block. And now what you can do with this block, let me select this block, and from here let's say I will type maybe AB plug in, and then here you can add any other block. That means what this dynamic block will do for you, guys, you can add in this section one block under another block. Let's say this is one block, so if you need, you can add another block inside this block. Let's say you want to add this maybe button, so just click here AB button, then see it will be added here inside. Okay, so it has not been inside, I'm sorry, guys. Let me select this one again, and then here if I click here AB comparison table, then I hope it will be added inside it. See, yes, it has been added inside it. So if you need in any case to add one block under another block, then you have to add this AB dynamic block. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have AB title block. So let me show you these blocks. So my page already has been slowed down a lot, guys, because I have added here a lot of blocks, and this is not a right thing, right? You should not add a lot of block in one block. So let me add some more. See, they have AB title block. If I select it, then the title block will be added. See, here is the title block, and then they have AB advanced coupon. So if I just click here on this AB advanced coupons, then see here is the coupon, and here not everything is responsible, I think. See, here this button has gone outside, so I'm not sure why it is. Let me add some image here. Let me show you if it is flexible or not. Let's say I will add this image, and then let's say second image. Let's say I will add this one. So in this way you can add multiple images. That's really great. Let me add the third image. Let's say this is my third image, and then I'll select it. Then the images will be added, and here only two images has been added, guys. But see, these things are not responsible here, so I think this is one disadvantage of this tool. All blocks are not responsible here completely. See, here it has gone to the outside of the block. So this is the bad thing that I'm seeing here. These are the things. After that, there have AB products column. So if I select it, then let's see what type of block I can get. See, here are the product column. It's really amazing. Here you can add the product headline, product image. Here you can add a star marking, and you can here add a button. After that, they have AB coupon box, and they have multiple coupon box. See, the first one is this one. If I add it, see, here is the coupon box. Here you can add the image, product title, product description, price, and button. And here I have coupon box 2. If I select this coupon box here, then see, here is another coupon box. These are the things, guys. After that, let me show you more blocks that are available here. See, there I have AB progress bar, AB conclusion, AB product table 1, product table 2, product table 3, then topic spaces, then they have AB single product pros cons, and then they have affiliate booster single product spaces, then key points that are available, then product verdict, and then they have product summary. You can add product summary from here, and then they have product pricing table also. And the last one is AB coupon grid. These are the things, guys. I'm not adding more blocks here because my website is going to be slow a lot, because I have added a lot of blocks here. So now I will save it draft, and then I will preview it, and I will show you how it will look like when I will live the blog basically. So the preview is generating, just wait some time. See, here is the blog, and here is the topic option. Here is the pros and cons. Here is the product comparison table, and here is city title. So everything is fine. See here, this block is not working fine. So here only one block that I have shown you, which is not working fine. This block is not responsive, but I think it's a bug from their end, and I hope the founder will solve it as soon as possible, because the founder is very positive about this tool. So I'll request him to solve it. See, it's looking very nice, right? Very nice looking blocks. I hope you get idea, guys, about this affiliate booster plugin. I'm a regular user of this plugin, and I'm in love on with this plugin. I hope you will get this plugin also by your own if you are a affiliate marketer. And these are the whole review. If you think as you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this affiliate booster lifetime deal from AppSumo. It's a lifetime deal. You have to pay just once, and you can use it for your lifetime. And you can have also 60-day money back guarantee. If you think as you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this lifetime deal with 10% discount. I'll give the link of 10% discount link of affiliate booster in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on affiliate booster lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, is if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think is this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.